Hello Miss and all my friends. I am Wahyudi Mulukala from class 3C. My department Mechanical Engineering at Samarinda State Polytechnic. Student ID 196110075. Here I will explain about the part and function of pliers. The definition of pliers. Pliers are a tool used to hold, loosen, rotate, pull out of cut or workpiece. Pliers are commonly used in activity to automotive mechanic, electricity repair, and so on. This tool is made of iron and steel on the part for the hold is cut with a hard rubber material, so it is not slippery. When used, general pliers have a small size or only one hand grip. Pliers have various types with different functions and ways of working from one another. Combination pliers are a type of pliers that are often used in the field of electrical engineering because of their multifunctional use. They are called combination pliers. Can function as a cable cutter, cable pillar, or wrapping around the cable. Trowel pliers are a type of that are often used in electrical engineering. As well, if you look at the shape that is similar to trowel fish, this type of plier is usually called a trowel plier. Cutting pliers are a type of pliers that are often used in electrical engineering as well, which functional specifically for cutting cable and peeling the cable skin. So, explain from me about pliers. Thank you. I hope can be useful for all of us.